many of you asked for some simple lunch recipes, and I'm gonna hand you one on a plate. Oh, that's such a terrible introduction. Let's get witty, Katie.
She's made you a bean salad, guys.
I've made you a tuna bean salad, all right? Eat it, love it. G had it for her lunch.
It was delish.
Thank you. Oh, it's a great intro. Did you say
Yeah.
We'll bleep that. Drain and rinse a tin of butter beans and add to a hot pan with oil. You want them to crisp up and go golden, so keep an eye on them. Then to a large bowl, add 200 grams of cherry tomatoes halved, a finely diced red onion, a cucumber that's been de-seeded and chopped, 50 grams of black olives pitted and sliced, a tablespoon of capers, a tin of drained tuna, 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped parsley. And don't forget to season up. For a really simple vinaigrette, we're going to combine the juice of 1 lemon, oh, it's gone everywhere, with 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Give it a good shake and pour it over your salad. Stir everything up and then add in those crispy beans. Lunch is served.